story of a friendship of two birds, treacherous yellowbird and the whimsical blue. Bluebird in the rain today, yellowbird in his cage. At the window still the play, bird rain day dancing, dancing, birds are dancing.
Hey, Bluebird, you want to come over here in my cage to play this time? I guess so. I'm not gonna get caught by your owner or anything, right? No, come on, man. Let's play.
Yellowbird, he just played him. Bluebird in the cage. The yellowbird flies away. Bluebird gets betrayed. Paint him yellow, fly away. Yellowbird in the rain. Feels so damn great. Bluebird walked away. Yellowbird dancing, bluebird sad. Birds dancing when they're happy or sad. Sad dance, now we happy. Happy bird, he's so happy that he's free.